Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you something that sounds almost impossible. Just 3 days. One simple practice. And your English can start to change in a way you didn't expect. Why does this work? And why do most learners never discover it? Stay with me for the next few minutes because the answer may surprise you. Chapter 1. The real problem nobody talks about. Let's be honest. Most learners spend years studying English but still feel stuck. They know vocabulary, they understand grammar, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. Why? The hidden problem is translation. Most people think in their first language, then try to convert it into English. And here's the strange part. Even a small delay like this slows your speech. Your brain pauses, your mouth hesitates, and your confidence drops. You know exactly what you want to say, but it doesn't come out. Here's what most learners never notice. Translation doesn't teach fluency. It teaches hesitation. It teaches fear. And every time you translate, your brain is working twice as hard. This is why many people feel frustrated, tired, and hopeless even if they study daily. But here's the good news. You can break this habit. And it doesn't take months. It doesn't take long lessons or heavy grammar. In fact, you can start changing your English in just 3 days. The secret is simple. You stop translating. Instead, you train your brain to think and speak in English directly. And the best method to do this is something almost nobody tries, a method called shadowing. Shadowing is the key that unlocks fluency. And when you do it the right way, English stops feeling heavy. It begins to flow naturally. In the next chapter, I'll show you exactly how to start this 3-day method, step by step, and why it works like magic. Chapter 2. The 3-day method revealed. Here's the method. It's called shadowing, and it's simple. You listen to English and speak at the same time, like a shadow. But here's the strange part. Even though it sounds easy, shadowing forces your brain to stop translating. There's no time to think in your first language. You hear English, you copy English, and your brain begins to speak naturally. Most people think shadowing is difficult or advanced, but the truth is, it's actually the fastest way to make English feel alive. Your brain starts responding, your mouth starts moving, and your confidence grows. Let me show you a simple example. Listen to the sentence I am going to the store. Now, say it aloud at the same time. Don't pause, don't think about translating, just follow the rhythm. Do this 2, 3 times. That's it. You don't need long lessons. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a teacher beside you. 5 minutes is enough. And the more consistently you do it, the faster your English improves. But the real magic happens as you progress day by day. On day 2, your mouth feels faster, words come quicker. On day 3, you start noticing a natural rhythm. And after 7 days, well, that's where the real breakthrough happens. In the next chapter, let's see what happens on day 2 and why learners feel something so surprising. Chapter 3, Day 2, The Surprise Shift. By the second day, something amazing starts happening. Your mouth feels lighter. Words come faster. You notice fewer pauses. Your brain no longer hesitates as much. But here's what shocks most learners. You feel a rhythm in English you never felt before. You feel your tongue moving almost automatically. Your mind is starting to respond in English without translating. That's huge. Most learners miss this moment. They think progress should be slow, but shadowing creates tiny, noticeable shifts every day. Day 2 is your first real taste of fluency. You can repeat short sentences and feel the difference. Here's another surprise. Even if you feel shy or nervous, shadowing removes fear. Your voice starts syncing with the natural rhythm of English. And each repetition trains your brain to stay active and alert. Emotionally, day 2 is exciting. You start feeling, maybe I can speak English faster. That confidence is powerful. It pushes you to continue. And the best part? Day 3 is when your English really starts to feel different. That's the day most learners describe as a breakthrough. Your sentences flow, your mouth is faster, and the hesitation? Almost gone. In the next chapter, I'll show you what day 3 looks like and how your English begins to feel natural. Chapter 4, Day 3. The breakthrough moment. Day 3 is the magic day. By now, your brain is used to shadowing. Your mouth is used to moving with English. You no longer think about every word, you just say it. But here's the strange part. You might not even notice the change at first. It feels subtle. A slight difference in speed, in rhythm, in confidence. But it's real, and it grows quickly. Many learners are shocked at this point. They say, I didn't know I could speak like this in just 3 days. Your sentences start sounding natural. Your pronunciation improves without extra effort. You begin thinking in English directly. Here's why it works. 3 days of repetition creates a pathway in your brain. That pathway allows English to flow naturally. You no longer rely on your first language. You're not translating, you're speaking. And the emotional part is powerful. You feel free, you feel light, you feel capable. That small 5-minute practice becomes a huge confidence booster. But remember, day 3 is just the beginning. To really improve, you need to keep practicing daily. And that's what we'll cover in the next chapter. Chapter 5, How to Keep Improving After 3 Days. Now that you've reached day 3, you might wonder, how do I continue this change? How do I make it permanent? The answer is simple. Daily consistency. 5-10 minutes a day is all you need. Shadowing works best in small, focused sessions. Don't overthink. Don't aim for perfection. Just follow the rhythm. Most people stop too early. They think they need hours of practice. But the brain responds faster to short, consistent daily repetition. Even 5 minutes a day builds your fluency faster than 1 hour once a week. Here's a tip. Combine shadowing with small speaking exercises. Describe your day in English. Talk to yourself. Record your voice. Replay it. Shadow again. These small wins add up, and the emotional part is amazing. Each day you practice, your confidence grows. You hear your own improvement. You feel proud. You start noticing changes in real conversations. That excitement keeps you going. By following this routine, you prepare yourself for bigger changes. And that brings us to the next chapter. What happens after 7 days of this practice? Chapter 6. What changes after 7 days? After a week, your English begins to feel natural. Your brain thinks in English first. Your sentences come faster. Your mouth moves with rhythm. But the most surprising part, you don't even realize how much you've changed. People around you might notice first. Your confidence is higher. Your hesitation is gone. You understand English better. You speak it more naturally. Most learners are amazed at this point. They say, I didn't think 5 minutes a day could make this big of a difference. But that's the power of consistent shadowing. Small practice, repeated daily, creates massive results. And emotionally, this is empowering. You feel capable. You feel fluent. You feel ready to speak English anywhere, anytime. And the best part? You don't need translation anymore. English becomes a natural part of your thinking. So remember, start with 3 days, then continue daily. Your English is already on the path to transformation. Thank you for watching. If you want more simple, powerful English practice like this, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment below. I'm starting today. I read every comment, and I'm excited to see your progress. Your English journey begins right now, one small step at a time.